Hey guys, welcome back to Release the Craftin. Bristol here with Smokey, who's now going to step on the light as he escapes the sound of my voice. So that's fun. But I'm here with a little quickie sticky unboxing. I forgot about this one as I had this on my desk, and then I've been crafting, and I've had kind of a quiet crafting day, and you know, like I wasn't filming or anything, and I have ended up like inadvertently burying this on my desk in the papers that I've been using, and as I've been going through those doing my crafting, I found this and was like, oh, I can't believe I totally forgot about this. Like, my brain just blanked out. I don't even remember receiving this in the mail. That's how far back in my brain it was. But this is the Stickii Club thing, and it's a website, and I'll link it down below. That's extra cat hair we didn't need. But it's like a monthly subscription thing where I get stickers, and I'm going to unbox it with you guys because it's fun, and I just really enjoy these stickers, even though I totally forgot that I got this one. And this month I only got the vintage pack, so this one might actually be truly quickie because it's usually not. How did I do this? Okay, this got more complex than it needed to be. There we go. I really love this like subscription. I love that I get a free envelope to use every time, and I also love that it comes with this little like binder thing to put into my binders. Somebody asked to see the entirety of my Stickii Club like sticker collection. I don't know if you guys are interested in that. Let me know if you are, because I will film it for sure. Anyways, because you know, all it takes is one person to ask me for something, but if you guys are interested, I'll be expediting that process to see all the stickers we've gotten so far all together and how I've organized them, because that was part of the question. But yeah, the theme for this this month was Night Owl. I'm excited. I can't remember what I saw when I saw the little sneak peek that made me go, oh yeah, definitely get this one, but it had to have been good because I got it. But right off the bat, we have this little like sweet little like fennec fox in a scarf scene, and it's like a vinyl sticker, and that's really cute. And this is by Phoenix Chan Illustration, and that's the artist info right there. I also do really appreciate that they like contract real artists and then like feature them in their packs. It's also very just super refreshing. This is really sweet. Look at this little like, oh hold on, I just realized we're a bajillion miles away. Hold on. Okay, yeah, so now that you guys can see it a little bit better, I'm not gonna pull it out of here. It's just some like note paper, little tiny notes. And I love this. This is really cute. It's got the owls up here, this little like vintage looking stamp of owls, and then this like little sleepy moon dreamy singing in the background, and that's really cute. I really like owls, so I'm kind of excited for this one. They're not my favorite bird. Let me know what your guys' favorite bird is in the comments below, but I always seem to find them or see them and pick up stuff with them on there. And then I have a lot of friends who happen to just really love owls, so like it's just one of those things that always comes up. So let's see, this one is amazing. You have like Diana and like Selene and some fairies, maybe like Persephone here and some more fairies, and this could be like Demeter. This, like, it's very Grecian, all these ladies, and I really, really love it. This is by Mia Carnival, and that's their handle right there, Mia Carnivale? Oh, you can't see it. There it is. There's the artist info right here. These are really pretty. They're very, like, delicate, but I like the shape of them. The little square like shape is really cool. And then we have some of these. I don't know if this helps. Which one's better? This one. This is also by Phoenix Chan, so this is like a smaller version of that big vinyl sticker we got. And these cute little like fall themed cozy animals, and that is super sweet. I think I have a couple sheets of like this cat, or not this cat in particular, but like cats in this little wood slice deal that I think is also by the same artist. I have a couple sheets like that. So I'm just happy to get more because these are so cute. I love these little like personified animal like little slices. It's just really sweet. This little red panda is so cute with the little like latte. Super cute. And then we have this one is from Stickii Club, and it looks like just some vintage like astronomy cutouts. I like the little jagged edges. That's really cool. But yeah, these look like some old like astrological astronomy like book plates. So that's pretty fun. And then we have the owls I see here in the night owls. So love this. It's like some Asian style painting. So we'll cut out some there. And that's also from Stickii Club. So these are nice. Then we have these. Look how pretty these are. Those are so nice. And these are by Magic Wood Creations. How cute is that? I love this little like pumpkin one. These are really cool. I might have to make an owl journal. I have been collecting stuff for it because like I said, I have some friends who happen to love owls. So I just, you know, picked that up because I know. I might have to make one because now I have the little stickers to embellish it with. And we have this cute little sheet here. And there's the artist there. And then this one is not gonna, nope, not gonna try it. I'm sorry. And then she's like sweet little like owl paintings. Look at how cute and cozy. That's really sweet. I always love like a little witchy owl. That's really cute. And this little reading one, that is sweet. And then last up, ew, okay. So this one, we have like 2 postcards. They're like nice sturdy postcards. And then wow, okay. So this is like a, sorry, my brain shorted out while I was trying to read this. So it's like a, it looks like a lino cut, like stamp. Even though it's a print on some like textured cardstock. But I was doing that like don't dead open inside, like that thing here, because it's written this way, don't open dead inside. He hath never fed of the dainties that are bred in a book, I think. I don't know. It's hard to tell because he hath that are never fed bred in of the a book dainties. Doesn't make any sense. So yeah, that was what broke my brain for a moment. But it is a really nice like print. I do like it. I like this little like rat that's also reading the book with them, and then a little reading haven. It's very sweet. It's very detailed. I like that. This threw me off for a second, but I got it. I put it together, and then on this one, it looks like another like Asian style little print of some of these owls and this like little tree with some of these cranes flying overhead. They're cranes or they're swans? They might be swans. Or they could be geese. Hard to tell. I don't know. But they are really cool. They're very interesting. And they're both from Stickii Club, so wherever they found these, this might be like a woodcut and not an actual lino cut then, if it's like from Stickii Club, because it might just be a vintage thing, and that's pretty neat. So all in all, we got some pretty cute pages here. I think these ones are my favorite. These ones, for sure, because I love these ladies. I think these ones are my favorite, but everything else is pretty legit. Like, I definitely really like it. And now I have ideas about an owl book in my brain, so gotta hatch that out for a little bit. I don't have an owl kit. I use a lot of owls in my stuff, because like I said, I do like them. I don't have like an owl kit. Maybe I need to do some bird kits. So let me know, what's your favorite bird in the comments below, and maybe I'll do some bird stuff. But yeah, that's gonna be it for me, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this one. I will catch you guys all next time. Until then, happy crafting. Bye!